Namaste.
Namaste.
So tell us something about yourself.
Myself Satish. So I'm from Bangalore. So I'm a graphic designer. So last month I got stripped from my residential and I got my fracture. I got a fracture here and I'm rolled in the slip. So I went on to surgery. So they placed a plate in my hand.
Right.
Just a couple of weeks back they removed my band-aid. So they started going for a physical movements and all.
So you've started your early part of the rehab exercises after your wrist surgery.
Yeah.
Okay. So today you've had a chance to use this platform which gives you virtual reality based experience and doing those exercises. So describe what type of exercises you are able to do with this virtual reality platform.
With this exercise, I can able to move my wrist.
Okay.
So basically, there's a three level of which I have undergone this. There is one three kind of balls which I need to pick it up and I need to place it in a particular slabs.
Right.
And the other one is there is a bricks. So I need to pick up the bricks and I need to place it in the hole which is matches along to the bricks.
Yes.
And third one is three squares over there. So I need to just pick it up and I need to just move it. So three type of level. There is a three type of which is helps me. Like for example, if I'm picking up a ball and place it in a different slab, so that makes it some different movements. And also the block which I'm picking up, so that gives me a complete wrist movement. In the sense, I need to pick it up and I just to place it. I need to rotate it. So to place it on then, I need to rotate it. So that helps me much lot.
Okay, so having done these exercises, you felt that you had actually done some exercises and you felt your muscles and your joints do the workout?
Yeah, sure. When I'm working on this, I felt much more better. So usually when I'm doing some physical work, something else, there will be stiffness in my fingers and everything. So I can able to lift some any particular material or something. Here I can able to lift it. So though I'm not lifting any weight, but I can feel that I'm as if I'm lifting some weight and just placing it out. So without lifting any weight, without giving any stress to my hand, I can lift out the product and I can place it somewhere, so that it helps me for all the movements.
Excellent. Okay, so you felt that although there was no physical load going through the joint, but the workout was still the same in terms of its effect. Okay, and you're getting that live feedback as you were doing these exercises. Okay, good. So you've done this session for how much time now?
I believe some 20 minutes.
So you had a session worth of 20 minutes, and in those 20 minutes, did you feel that your entire upper limb or your arm got the workout that you wanted?
Exactly. The block which I'm lifting out,
Yes.
I need to lift my hand. I need to push it out. So obviously my wrist, my elbow, my shoulder complete. I need to twist it.
Yeah.
From starts from my finger and ends to my shoulder. Everything there is a movement, so that I can. When I'm lifting all the blocks, I'm getting an entire movement. So I was almost around 1.5 months, which I was in plaster.
Yes.
My hand was in complete on step. When I'm doing those exercises, I feel much more relaxation to my entire.
So you're able to regain most of those movements which you had before the injury, right? Okay. So you're only 5 weeks after your procedure now, and you're going through this accelerated rehab. Do you think this virtual reality is a good platform that you'd encourage other people and patients to engage with?
Of course, because once the person has got under surgery, obviously they will be much more worried about the injury. Even they feel they want to do day-to-day activities. Obviously, they will think. Even myself, if I want to work on my keyboard also, I will think a lot. And I started my work, whether I need to press it, I need to use my case, whether I feel that strain. So when I'm in this platform, so I feel we can get well very soon. We can come over all the. If I in physical, it may take time. It may 6 months or 7 months. When I go with this, I feel I will recover very soon.
Okay, so as part of this accelerated rehab, you're doing the exercises in the virtual reality, but then it's helping you move into the physical space and do your day-to-day tasks much easier. Okay, excellent. Okay, so overall, how do you feel this platform is? Is this a worthy platform for you to be doing more and more exercises?
Yeah, it is worth it. I think for all, I'll suggest all patients.
Yeah. So you suggested to all
yeah,
the patients to try it out.
try with
Excellent.
this.
Okay.
Because my concentration, everything is on the blocks and lifting and working on. That's it.
Yeah.
And there's no any disturbance also.
Good.
So
good.
when I'm working it, my entire concentration is only on the visual which I'm looking into it.
Yes.
So there is some background music also. This gives a relaxation to work in it.
Okay, so this entirely visually immersive environment, as they call it, and the soothing sound, you feel are good additions to doing your rehab exercises, and you're getting this live feedback which will help you regain most of those movements much faster. Okay, good. Okay, thanks for your time.
Thank you.